Okay, tutorial how to eat a baby egg. This is a chicken one. Show you a chicken one. And after we eat the chicken one, we're gonna eat a duck one. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. What you do is you find the bigger side of the egg. Small, big. Bam. Suggest you get like a towel or a carton. You know the carton the egg comes in. Cut a single one out and then just whatevs. You amateurs. These are for the pros. Just 6 or 7 taps. Then you just take the egg out like that. And just you ain't gotta destroy it. Just tap it. A little love. And you get this sauce mom's made. A little salt, pepper, pepper, and a little lime. A little MSG won't hurt nobody. It probably will hurt somebody, but I ain't no snitch. Bam, put it in there. Break the little sack. Like comes in a little like sack. What you do first is just break it up, put the little sauce in there. Then the juice. After you hit the first hit, about 3 hits to this joint. Take another pepper, salt, pepper, lime, whatever. Put in there. Take it out. And get the baby out. It's gonna ooze a little bit. Then you just get the motherfucker out like that. Oh my! See it? Baby right there. With the yolk, the baby, a little hairy, You wanna? It's just. Then the last part is just sipping the rest of the soup. And you look for extras. Everybody love a little extra. You know what? Get a little sauce. Bam. Then you just put the yolk left. Well, that was like a little heart piece. I don't know what the fuck it's called, but it's all that's left. That was a chicken. Now I'm gonna do a duck. See how bigger the duck is? And the chicken. See? White. And brown. I guess white always really white. Same thing we did last time. The big and the small. Guess which side it is. You right. The big side. Don't get me wrong though. This is the last time I misjudged it. And I got the wrong side. Just tap it like this. 1, 2, 3. You just. It's gonna be hollow, like semi-hollow on the top part because it's cooked already. You gotta cook the motherfucker. We eat it. Don't eat it raw. You're gonna die. Here's something called salmonella. That's what you're gonna have. I ain't cook it. My mom cooked it. All I do is eat the joint. Bam. Sauce. Pop the sack. Let it like marinate a little bit. And just break the excess off because you're gonna have to take that baby out. The duck is always gonna be bigger than the chicken. Add a little more sauce. And just start digging. Oh my god. You're gonna leak a little bit, but always add more sauce because it ain't hurt nobody. Sweep around. A little more sauce. Ooh. Mm. And that, what you call that. Don't forget to like the video.